The Metropolitan Museum of Art, a world of masterpieces. The Metropolitan Museum of Art, known simply as the Met, is a treasure trove of art and culture that spans centuries and continents. From ancient Egyptian artifacts to modern American masterpieces, this iconic museum has something to inspire every visitor. As you wander through its grand halls, you'll be transported across time and space, encountering works by artists like Van Gogh, Monet, and Picasso. The museum's vast collection is organized into thematic galleries, each offering a unique perspective. Marvel at the intricate armor in the Arms and Armor section, or lose yourself in the serenity of the Japanese garden. The Temple of Dendur, an ancient Egyptian structure preserved within the Met, is a particular highlight, offering a glimpse into a civilization that continues to fascinate. The Met isn't just about the art on the walls, it's also a hub of cultural events and programs. Attend a live performance, join a guided tour, or take part in a hands-on workshop. For a truly magical experience, head to the Met Cloisters in Upper Manhattan, where medieval European art and architecture come to life in a serene setting. What makes the Met so special is its ability to connect you to the beauty, complexity, and creativity of human history. Whether you're an art aficionado or just curious to explore, this museum promises an unforgettable journey through the world's artistic heritage.